Hi there. Today we're going to talk about 6 tips for back to school vehicle maintenance. My name is Vanessa. I work here at Performance Ford. As the summer ends, it's time for your children to go back to school. If you are sending your child to college along with a car, or if they are frequently going to high school with a vehicle, then it is important that that car is in great condition. The following are a few tips for maintenance for your children's vehicle. Oil and fluids. Check the oils and the fluids of your car. The oil and the gear oil keep the engine clean and healthy. Check for the fluids as well. It is essential that you use coolant that will not let the engine heat up, and the windshield wiper fluid to clean the windshield. Tires. Tires of your vehicle need to be in good health. Make sure that there is enough tread on the tires for grip on the road. Otherwise, get them changed. Healthy tires mean a safe drive. Brakes. Brakes are an important component of any vehicle. Get the brake system checked and serviced if needed. The pads and rotor wear out over time, so get them tested. Do not forget about the brake lights either. The vehicle behind you needs to know what is ahead of it. Battery. The battery of your car is what provides the vehicle with electricity to start up. A battery that has corrosion on the post needs to be cleaned. It might also need to be changed depending on the condition. A battery is most likely replaced every 3 years. Emergency kit. The emergency kit includes a first aid kit, a jump cable, and can be savers when needed. The battery might die if its conditions are poor, so jumper cables may be needed to start the vehicle. A first aid kit can also be helpful if a mishap takes place. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website or come on down to Performance Ford. We'd be happy to hear from you.